Advanced manufacturing and the way that we discover and develop new products is really important for the future of innovation. New materials, new processes, new products are dictated by how we make them. Last year in 2024, RMIT was recognised as #1 in Australia for interdisciplinary science. That's been a long journey of investing in mechanisms like the Enabling Impact platforms and the Enabling Impact networks that foster and really encourage RMIT's researchers to work across domains and across fields to solve complex problems. Advanced manufacturing is opening up a whole raft of new possibilities. What's been really interesting about the project with Roland is from the perspective of showcasing RMIT's capabilities and ambition, it's really exciting to put in front of the world what's possible when you combine those two domains.
The sculptural ceiling that we developed for Advanced Manufacturing Week is designed through algorithmic processes and 3D printed using industrial robotics. The project was developed within the RMIT Architecture Tectonic Formation Lab, and this is a research group that works in a very cross-disciplinary way. We have many collaborators in the STEM college and out in industry, and this enables us to bring in expertise, bring in new technologies, and start to unravel how this might affect design, how design might change if we start to engage with advanced manufacturing in new ways. In developing this project, we're really interested in what is the design potential of these new technologies. So we're trying to understand if we're designing through algorithms and we're producing projects with robots, how does it change the way we design something and how does it change the way we build something? In many ways, the project really goes to the core of RMIT's focus on the relationship between design and technology. And by bringing these two together, we're really trying to explore what new possibilities might emerge from these interactions.
Interdisciplinary research is really important because it's what leads ultimately to real-world products and real-world impact from RMIT's research. RMIT is really passionate about partnering with organisation, industry partners, external partners, government partners to make impact from research so that at the end of the projects, these can be rapidly implemented in the real world.